Once again, Arwin Organizer. So here, no? Again, pagkulan kayo. Pag ma-referee sila, no? Again, the green one and the orange one, no? Again, Arwin Organizer, the best, no? Ano siya, muna siya tambal ni Jumel, no? Dili tumaron. Again, dili tumaron. Tambal ni Jumel, dili tumaron. Okay, so here, gawa ng Cebuano ni Bisaya, no? Taga Sambagdos. No, here, again, mura gawa supportan ng Philippine government. No, again, ibaligya ito na ng rights ni sa US siguro. So here, no? Again, this is the one, the latest, no? Latest ni siya karoon gamit na to. Nga, uy, magawas ka sa hospital. So, mo gusto ka mamatay? Hindi, no? Again, pwede na kamot, pwede okay, no? Again, sa basketball, we launched the first Arwin Argument Basketball Cup, no? Here, at the Sad Paya, kaya diri man ko nagpuyo, no? Again, if the government support, no? So ayaw kita, mga bata karon nga, wala, online games lang, okay na. Before sila mag-online games, 5 minutes, sikat sila. So again, no? Mga referee sila, and then, kung nilagi taon ni kami, wag kay sponsor, no? Again, we like, baka sponsor, but gawa ng Pilipino na, gawa ng Cebuano. And then you can browse the YouTube, yeah. Type here sa YouTube. It's about that type. Type is at na. Click today, no? Again, we recognize in the US, yeah. So again, it's up to you, yeah.